Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Razer mouse via Bluetooth. First, ensure your Razer mouse is fully charged or has fresh batteries, providing reliable power for the connection process. Next, verify that Bluetooth is enabled on your computer or device. Finally, place your mouse within 1 meter of your device. This close proximity helps establish a strong, stable connection during the initial pairing, making the process smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's put your Razer mouse into pairing mode. Locate the dedicated Bluetooth pairing button or switch, usually found on the underside of the mouse. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. You'll notice the mouse's LED indicator begin to blink rapidly. This blinking light is your signal, confirming that the mouse is actively searching for a device to connect with and is ready for the next step in the pairing process. With your mouse in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your computer. Open your computer's Bluetooth settings or control panel, then select the option to add a device or pair new device to initiate a search. Your Razer mouse should appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Click on its name to select it. If prompted, confirm the pairing request on your operating system, usually a simple click, to finalize the connection. Once successfully connected, the LED on your Razer mouse will typically turn solid or switch off, indicating a stable link. Test the mouse movement and clicks to ensure full functionality and a smooth experience. If the connection doesn't work immediately, try restarting both your mouse and your device. Also, ensure no other devices are actively trying to pair with your mouse, as this can sometimes interfere with the process. Enjoy your new wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.